we go.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 372, effective until 2 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Vero, Carroll, Lee, Marshall, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, and Woodford.
So why did it not notify me
A severe thunderstorm watch
like it had been doing?
are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 55 Jason. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast.
What is the volume at on this thing? What is a severe watch number 372, and I had been outside IM bot this whole time, but no, because I'm trying to set up my direct deposit for University of Illinois, it doesn't notify me. I don't get the notification, and I don't get the notification until I go back into IM bot. That's bull crap. Number 1000. Number 1000! Finally! This is it. Holy. Oh my gosh. Dude, you can't beat that. You just can't beat that. This is it. Right here, the severe warning for Black Hawk and Tama counties. This is it. EAS number 100. No, nah. EAS number 1000. EAS 100 was back in 2020. Good job, Zach. So I went out to get gelati from this place called Shelby Ray's, and now I missed like 5 SBRs. It's always when I leave the house. Severe warning!
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Joe Davies County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Carroll County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, Jackson County in east central Iowa, southeastern Dubuque County in northeastern Iowa, southeastern Jones County in east central Iowa, northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa until 10 p.m. At 9:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along our line extending from Trestle Green to Continental in Oxford Junction, moving east at 40 miles an hour.
Almost in sync! Did you hear that? Going upstairs to get the Channel 3 relay.
back. Goose Lake, Mississippi Palisades State Park, 2 Davies County Fairgrounds, Salone and South County.
That's enough of that. We're going back downstairs.
Severe thunderstorms include Lions.
Cut off! Cut off!
This is North Weather Radio. 55,600. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station.
Catch the severe warning for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different counties in one. Whew. Headed right towards me. New severe warning.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Whiteside.
County in northwestern Illinois. Eastern
We're in this one, I think.
in northwestern Illinois. Carroll County in northwestern Illinois. Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois. Southeastern Jackson County in east central Iowa. Northeastern Clinton County in east central Iowa until 10:45 p.m. At 9:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from north to near Centerfield to Camp Miss to near Goose Lake, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard expected 50 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include
We're in it.
Freeport, Sterling, Rock,
Yep.
South Carroll, Fulton,
Let's see what the group chat's saying.
Martin Plain, Millersville.
Wait a minute. Oh, it's a tour possible! What are you kidding?
For your protection room or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. We will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in the Quad Cities.
Yep, I put those to red.
Immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is North Weather Radio, KVZ 55 Dixon. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station
I'm missing everything tonight. So this time, I had to go take a shower. Yeah, shower at 10 p.m. Call me crazy. And as a result, I missed 2 SVRs. 2! I am missing everything tonight. I'm watching the Gold Cup opener, by the way. The fact that we're losing to Jamaica is crazy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Considerable severe warning for the Iowa side of the Quad Cities. Oh boy, it's for 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. We got a considerable severe warning for the Iowa side of the Quad Cities. Uh-oh. There's a tornado for Scott! I'll get the WSJ-73 relay in a minute.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for central Scott County until 11:15 p.m.
A tornado for
10:31
Scott!
p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Leesville or near Davenport.
Is the alarm set already? No, it's not. We're going outside. I tried. I got it, barely. Got double relays, barely. How about that? Still losing 1-0. Here's the tornado warning. And I'll scroll down and I'll show you the bulletin because I didn't get to play the whole thing because I was trying to get this relay. It's for the Quad Cities. It is for the Iowa side of the Quad Cities, too. Got a severe warning.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued
Rock Island and Whiteside.
County in northwestern Illinois at 11:45 p.m. At 10:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Union Grove to near Princeton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage.
Oh, doubleheader coming up. Ogle, Winnebago. And meanwhile, we are continuing to suck.
Trenton and Unionville around 10:50 p.m. Morrison and Whiteside County Fairgrounds around 10:55 p.m. Linden and Round Grove around 11 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Hillsdale, Newton Corners, Erie, Emerson, Gulf, Grand Sedition, Agnes, Como, Rock Falls, Spring Hill, Douglas Park, Din Rock, Sterling, Prophetstown, EAS Alerts, Whiteside County Airport, Oakland Corners, Prophetstown State Recreation Area, Hamilton Corners, and Leon Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It was on 670 the score for some reason. Oh, and this didn't activate. What the hell?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ogle County in north central Illinois, Winnebago County in north central Illinois until 11:15 p.m. At 10:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Durand to near Byron to near Foreston, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh my God, we can't score. We're getting blocked.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Love Park, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, Brockton, Byron, Mount Morris, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Winnebago, Davis Junction, Durand, Stillman Valley, New Milford, Leaf River, Children, and Harrison. This includes Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, and Rockford Speedway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Not relaying, that's a surprise.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Ogle and western Winnebago counties. At 10:24 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located.
Can we do?
Oh, come on!
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a
Severe thunderstorm warning for
East Central Rock Island County in northwestern
another one.
Illinois, Southern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northern
Thank God! Thank God! We tied the game as an SVR is being relayed.
1 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Pleasant Valley, or near Bettendorf, moving east at 45 miles per hour. At 10:40 p.m., there was a measured gust of 70 miles per hour at the Davenport Airport. Hazard: 70 miles per hour with gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, Bettendorf, East Moline, Silvis, Geneseo.
Geneseo! You've got to be kidding me!
Byron, Atkinson, Rapid City, Sheffield, Anaheim, Riverdale.
God, we are so lucky to have not lost.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Another tornado!
Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for East Central Rock Island County, Northwestern Henry County, Southeastern Scott County until 11:45 p.m. At 11:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Credit Island or over Davenport.
Let's watch the last 30 seconds.
Expected hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those.
Out!
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
One last chance for the United States. No, that's a...
Windows and vehicles will occur.
No way.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Riverdale and Rock Island.
Get the ball in! Got it in. Oh my god. We tied!
Thunderstorm include East Moline, Silvis, Carbon Cliff, Silvis Heights, Captain, Barstow, Kelowna, Cleveland, Dayton, Green River, and Osborne. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Henry and Rock Island, and Scott, Iowa.
We tied. We tied with Jamaica. Glad I didn't go to this game. That would have been a dud. Another warning.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, eastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, western McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 11:45 p.m. At 11:11 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the
Swing back around this way.
Roscoe to near Davis Junction to near Oregon, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rockford, Belvidere, Ross Park, McChesney Park, Sycamore, Roscoe, Harvard, Berlingo, Poplar Grove, Genoa, Candlewood Lake, Cherry Valley, Davis Junction,
Aww.
Kirkland, Cape Run, Kingston, Timberlane, New Milford, Lindenwood, and Monroe Center. This includes Boone County Fairgrounds, Rock Cut State Park, Rock Valley College, and Rockford Rivet Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Here we go again.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued
Euro.
a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Rock Island County in northwestern Illinois, southeastern Whiteside County in northwestern Illinois, northern Henry County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Bureau County in north-central Illinois, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Geneseo, northeast of Cambridge, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
Bureau Henry, Rock Island, Whiteside.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Geneseo, Gwinnett, Atkinson, Anaheim, Hoopo, Deer Grove, Hillsdale, Yorktown, Manlius, Mineral, New Bedford, Thomas, Leon Corners, Shady Beach, and Normandy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in the Quad Cities. Continuous cloud to ground
These things
lightning
definitely
is
don't
occurring
receive
with
as
this
good as
storm.
they did upstairs.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
What the hell? I thought I turned this off.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in north central Illinois until 12:30 a.m. At 11:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rock Falls, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and sources include radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and patches include Dixon,
West
Denver,
Woodland,
Franklin Grove,
Woodland Shores,
Ashton,
Eldena,
Palm,
Lee Center,
Sugar,
and
Woodhaven
Nicusa,
Lakes, Lee,
including the
Compton,
following
Stewart,
interstates:
Nelson,
Interstate
West
39
Brooklyn,
between
Palm,
mile markers
Woodland,
78 and 96.
Eldena, Lee Center, and
Interstate
Nicusa.
88 between mile
Including
markers
the following
45 and
interstates:
74.
Interstate 39
This
between mile
includes
markers
Lee County
78
Fairgrounds and Sauk Valley College.
Interstate 88
For your
between mile
protection,
markers
move to an
45 and
interior room on the
74.
lowest floor of a
This
building.
includes Lee County Fairgrounds and Sauk Valley College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
So let's see. I could have sworn I turned that off, but hey, impromptu catch.